Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the world of beauty products with real, honest insights. Today, I'm excited to introduce the CHI Argan Oil plus Moringa Oil Luxe Trio Kit. If you've been struggling with frizz, lackluster hair, or dryness, this might just be the answer you've been searching for. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of whether this trio lives up to the hype, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a review that could change your hair care routine. This kit is a complete hair care system featuring CHI Argan Oil shampoo, conditioner, and a Moringa Oil Leave-In Treatment, all designed to give your hair that gorgeous, shiny, smooth finish we all crave. Argan oil is well known for its ability to enhance shine, reduce frizz, and improve overall hair health. But when paired with Moringa oil and CHI's signature ceramic compound, you're looking at a seriously rejuvenating formula that promises to nourish and hydrate even the most damaged frizzy hair. The CHI Argan Oil shampoo gently cleanses without stripping your hair's natural moisture. It's sulfate-free, which is a big plus for keeping hair healthy and hydrated. The conditioner works to deeply moisturize, leaving hair soft and silky with a smooth finish. And the final touch, the Argan Oil Leave-In Treatment is perfect for taming flyaways, adding extra shine, and protecting your hair from heat damage. I've been using this trio for the past week, and I have to say, I've noticed a visible difference. My hair feels softer, and it has a natural, healthy shine without being weighed down. I've used it on both damp and dry hair, and both times it's left my hair feeling nourished and smooth. There's no greasy residue, which is something I really appreciate in leave-in treatments. Now let's break it down. The pros of this kit are definitely its performance. The shampoo doesn't dry out my hair, the conditioner gives me the moisture I need without feeling heavy, and the leave-in oil is just the right touch to add shine and manageability. The scent is light and refreshing too, which is always a bonus. But no product is perfect, right? The only con I'd mention is that if you have extremely fine hair, you might want to use the leave-in oil sparingly, as it could be a bit heavy. But overall, for most hair types, this trio does wonders. When it comes to value for money, the CHI Argan Oil plus Moringa Oil Luxe Trio Kit is definitely worth considering. The ingredients are top-notch, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, and paraben-free, so you're getting high-quality formulations that are both effective and gentle. If you're tired of using products that promise the world and fail to deliver, this kit holds up to its claims. As for comparisons, there are other argan oil-based products on the market, but what makes this set stand out is the combination of Moringa oil and CHI's proprietary ceramic compound. These ingredients elevate the overall performance, making this set a great option if you're looking for a comprehensive solution to frizz and damage. The packaging is sleek, and I love that it's designed for easy use in the shower. The pump on the shampoo and conditioner bottles is convenient, reducing waste, which is always a win. I've also noticed that my hair feels softer and more manageable as the days go by, so there's definitely some longevity to this product. So is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this, and if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, CHI has built a reputation for being responsive and helpful. They're committed to creating high-quality products and offering a great customer experience, so you can feel confident knowing you're dealing with a brand that cares. There haven't been any major updates to this product, but I'd love to see them expand the range to include a deep conditioning mask to complement the system. If you're looking for alternatives, some may find the price of this kit a bit steep, so there are definitely more affordable options out there. However, considering the quality of ingredients and how well it works, I think it's justified. All in all, this CHI Argan Oil plus Moringa Oil Luxe Trio Kit lives up to its claims. It's a great option for those with dry, frizzy, or damaged hair, providing hydration, shine, and smoothness in one easy-to-use kit. If you're after a product that genuinely works, this one's worth the splurge. Thank you for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.